Good afternoon from Charlotte Douglas International Airport. My name is Connor and welcome to another Nix Aviation trip report. Today I'll be returning to Muscle Shoals on board Contour's Embraer E135. I've just finished a good spotting session at Charlotte's, now permanently closed, Airport Observation Park, and I'm pretty tired to say the least. So, let's get right to it. As you can see, Charlotte is undergoing some pretty hefty renovations, causing confusion for both passengers and airline employees. I say this because, after getting my boarding pass, I was led to an area that was supposedly the queue for TSA, but was apparently a restricted area. A kind TSA officer saw me, totally lost, and led me to where I was supposed to be. A rather weird start to tonight's journey. I will say this, the Contour employee working the desk was in training, so that could explain the misleading TSA directions, but I'm not too worried about that. He did a wonderful job at providing a quick and positive service. Clearing TSA was an absolute breeze, taking me less than 10 minutes to get through that long line. Contour departs out of the older side of CLT's A concourse, which, despite its age, still looks brand new. I'm very impressed with how this airport has been kept up. Modern lighting, architecture, multiple food and shopping options all make CLT a much nicer airport to depart from or connect through. My flight this afternoon is Contour Flight 3804, with nonstop service to Muscle Shoals, which is scheduled to depart Gate A10 at 7 p.m. Contour currently serves 4 essential air service communities from CLT, those being Beckley, Clarksburg, Parkersburg, and Muscle Shoals. By the end of the year, however, that number will be up to 7 destinations, with the addition of Lewisburg, Paducah, and Shenandoah Valley. Anyways, here we are at Gate A10. Boarding is scheduled for 6:30 p.m. The concourses here at CLT also provide your basic modern amenities, including wireless charging, AC power and USB ports, and free, albeit extremely slow, Wi-Fi internet. While it is a hub for American Airlines, resulting in minimal traffic diversity, CLT is a fun airport to spot at, with many different aircraft types going to many different places. While I miss seeing the US Airways livery around here, I like how American is operating this hub. More transatlantic destinations are slowly being added, and the 777 is slowly becoming a regular occurrence. While on the topic of aircraft, here is mine for the flight down to Muscle Shoals. It has been undergoing some maintenance on the horizontal stabilizer, resulting in a small 20-minute delay. With a thunderstorm rapidly approaching, we were all pretty eager to see this aircraft pull into the gate. November 11526 is a nearly 22-year-old Embraer ERJ-135LR that started its life with Continental Express and worked its way through multiple regional carriers before coming to Contour in 2017. Contour's E135s are fitted with a spacious 30-seat cabin. These seats are known as being the most comfortable regional jet seat, and I can confirm that with confidence. My seat for this hour flight is 6A, just behind the exit row, providing a great wing view. I'm 6'1", so this 36 inches of legroom is a real lifesaver sometimes. The seatback pocket is clean as always, and contains only the safety card. Still no in-flight magazine, but I've been told the addition of in-flight Wi-Fi is in the near future. The tray table is also clean and sturdy. I will say this though, the cabin this time around was not as clean as usual. I'm going to give Contour the benefit of the doubt here and say this is because the aircraft has been in storage for a few days, but further effort could have been made to fix these seats up a bit more. And now, without further ado, we're going to push back, taxi out, and depart 35 minutes late from runway 18 center. Contour has a full snack and beverage service on all flights. This includes a choice of Coke products to drink and pretzels, granola bars, or snack mix for snacks. The seatback pocket contains only a safety card and air sickness bag. Now, please enjoy our approach into Muscle Shoals, dodging a massive storm cell, and eventually landing on runway 29. This has been yet another easy trip with Contour. I am very confident in the success of Contour at Charlotte and Muscle Shoals, and I am so excited to see their continued growth. With the recent acquisition of 58 Embraer E140s, the airline must have plans to continue rapidly expanding. The people of Muscle Shoals and surrounding areas love having Contour as their carrier. It allows for easier connections with American Airlines and completely abolishes the need to drive to nearby Huntsville. For me, however, it is definitely not the most convenient option, as Huntsville is 2 hours away. This was definitely a fun trip overall, though. Thank you so much for watching this trip report with Contour Airlines. I sincerely hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video. Also, be sure to check out my socials via the links in the description. With that all out of the way, I'll see you all in the next video.